If your Apple Watch digital crown is not working properly, like it scrolls sometimes, Siri works on long press, and clicks still respond, but it suddenly gets stuck or stops scrolling, that can be really frustrating. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the digital crown not working issue on any Apple Watch, step by step. Solution 1. Remove case or cover first. I'm checking if I'm using any case or cover on my Apple Watch. Sometimes, thin plastic covers or full-body cases can block the digital crown and stop it from scrolling properly. So, I'm removing the case now. And then I'm testing the crown again. Solution 2. Clean the digital crown. Very important. Now I'm going to clean the digital crown because dust or dirt is the most common reason it gets stuck. First, I'm turning off my Apple Watch. If you're using a leather band, remove it to avoid damage. Now I'm holding the digital crown under lightly running warm water. Make sure not to use soap or any chemicals. As the water is running, I'm continuously rotating and pressing the crown so the water can clean the small gap around it. I'm doing this for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now I'm drying the watch completely using a soft, lint-free cloth. Once it's dry, try using the crown again. In most cases, this fixes the issue. Solution 3. Force restart Apple Watch. If the crown is physically moving but not responding on the screen, then I'm going to do a force restart. I'm pressing and holding the side button and the digital crown together. Keep holding for about 10 seconds, until I see the Apple logo. Now I release both buttons and wait for the watch to restart. This helps fix temporary software glitches.